In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to desktop in Windows 10 11. We're going to turn Google Calendar into a desktop app so it opens in its own window and is always just a click away. This works best in modern browsers like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome on Windows 10 or 11. Start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com. If you're not already signed in, sign in to your Google account so Calendar can load your events. Once you're in, look to the top right of the page for the Google Apps icon. It's the small square made up of dots. Click that, then select Google Calendar from the list. Calendar will open in a new tab. With Google Calendar open, go to the top right corner of your browser window and click the three vertical dots to open the browser menu. In that menu, locate the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Under that, choose Install Page as App. Depending on your browser, the wording may be very similar, such as install app or install Google Calendar, but the idea is the same. You're installing this page as a standalone app. A confirmation box will pop up. Click Install. Your computer will create a lightweight app that runs Google Calendar in its own window without the regular browser tabs or address bar. This doesn't duplicate your data or install anything heavy. It simply makes Calendar faster to reach and cleaner to use. Now head to your desktop and you should see a new Google Calendar shortcut. Double-clicking it will open Calendar as its own app-like window, which feels more like a native desktop program. If you prefer extra control, you can right-click the shortcut and choose Run as administrator. This is optional and usually not necessary, but it can help in environments with strict permissions. To keep Calendar within easy reach, right-click the app and choose Pin to Taskbar. That adds the calendar icon to your taskbar so you can open it with a single click anytime. If you like a tidy workspace, you can also drag it along your taskbar to place it exactly where you want. And that's it. You've added Google Calendar to your Windows desktop for quick, reliable access. From now on, open it from your desktop icon or the taskbar, enjoy a distraction-free window, and keep your schedule front and center whenever you need it.